Sponsored by Strategic Wealth Designers.
We are taking a closer look today at the economic impact of President Biden's American Rescue Plan. And Rob Lessio joins us now. So we've talked a little bit about it earlier in this broadcast that it could likely be passed by tomorrow. So give us a timeline. Is it $1,400 in everyone's pocket if you're making $75,000 or less?
Yes, and there's a lot more nuances than if you would than that. March 14th is the deadline. That's when unemployment benefits are going to run out. So expect for it absolutely to be signed before then. You know, it passed the Senate. The House is going to go through, make a couple of little changes to it, and then it'll go to the president's desk, and then it'll get put out.
So the $1,400, the $75,000 I was talking about, that's individuals or 150 couple. First of all, let's talk about that. That's adjusted gross. So if you put money in a 401k, you might be able to even have a higher income than that, right?
That's true. And if we remember a couple years ago, we changed the tax laws. And so now the standard deduction for a married couple is $24,000. So if it's $150,000, if you are making about $175,000 before you take other adjustments like that, then you're going to qualify. The one thing is it phases out at a much more rapid pace than the other stimulus did.
Right. If you make $1 over, you might not get it. You're going to either probably get the whole thing or nothing, not the phase out that we had the first time.
That's right. I mean, it does allow for a little bit of a gray area, but not nearly the vast majority like it did before.
Okay, an important distinction. And do you think this is going to be enough to really stimulate the economy? The stock market was up again today. Overall, we've been hitting records again. Is that why?
You know, I think so. We've talked about it a lot. The market's traded on hope for quite a while. The vaccine rollout is really ramping up. We're getting to warmer weather, which we saw what happened with COVID last year with that. It just feels like the company or the country's opening back up, if you would. I don't foresee another stimulus coming out as we go on through the year. I feel like this is the one that's going to kind of push us for a little while.
Boy, the sun's helping too. We always want to be out of all of this. All right. Thanks, Rob. To learn more about this and other business related news, go to local12.com/community.